Good morning, this is the ExactTrades.com Shakers Report for November 7th, 2011. First we're taking a look at the SPY, the S&P 500. You can see we have the sell down here for pre-market, drop below that support level 124, right in here. And so far we've had a bounce this morning early, pushing back up. Made a pre-market high around 125.40 area. So we're going to watch that for resistance off the open. If we can continue to get some buying and break through that resistance level, see if we can get a push up into 126 and possibly 126.30 area, 126.25. I do have a feeling we're going to get more selling, so watch for this to turn back down and test 124. And then look for a break of that 124. Stay on the short side if we do break that, and then watch for support at 123.60 and then 123. If we break 123, could come down to 122.80, possibly 122.50. A couple more areas of support down here. I like 122.50 and 123 is strong support. 123.50 will be minor support. So if it has a weak bounce here and breaks that, it should continue on down into this 123 area. But I do have a feeling based on the way the chart's setting up that we could retest the lows and get a good breakdown into 123 just from these lower highs coming off the top here. So we had the breakout, the move up, the selling, and then the lower high here, selling some more off of the news in Europe, bouncing up, look for a lower high again, and then a retest of the lows. So let's go ahead and look at today's trades. And first up we have DTE. You can see here resistance line right around 52.83. So right there. Been in consolidation range for about 10 days. You can see this higher lows here. Going to look for a breakout over the high. Going to take this long on 52.87. First profit target is going to be 53.39. Second profit target is going to be 53.91. And then I'd trail a stop. See if you can push through 54 and possibly test 54.50 and then 55 with your last piece of that trade. Next up we have FE. You can see high resistance here right around 46.10. Going to look for a break over that high. Going to take this long over 46.16. So right there. First profit target is going to be 46.62. Second profit target is going to be 47.08. Now watch it at 47. If it looks like it's going to fail 47, go ahead and take your second profit target a few cents early. If it pushes right through 47, then just try to get your 47.08. And then trail a stop in your last piece. See if you can push through 47.40, possibly 47.60 area for the last target. And our next trade is ORLY. You can see resistance here right around 77.50. So you can see this consolidation range. Going to look for a breakout over this high. Going to take this long over 77.57. So right there. First profit target is going to be 78.34. Second profit target is going to be 79.11. And again, watch it at 79. See if it has any problems with 79. If it pushes through pretty easily, then go ahead and look for your 11 for your target. And then trail a stop in your last piece and really try to get up into 80. I think we'll see some strong resistance at 80 if we can move up into that area or just under that. So I would say 79.95, 79.96 area would be good for the target. Now we're looking at CVC. You can see the sell-off we had here. Tested the lows and then broke through to a new low on the third day after the breakdown here. Starting to move up a little bit, but really staying near the lows. Going to look to take this short under 14. So I'm looking at that support at 14. I think once we break that, we could get a nice run down. Going to short this under 13.96. So right about there. First profit target is going to be 13.83. Second profit target is going to be 13.70. And then we're going to trail a stop down. See if you can get into 13.50 right here on your last piece. Next we have FAF. Support level here. Right around 11.23. 11.25 right there. Going to look for a break below support. Going to take this short under 11.19. First profit target is going to be 11.08. So right about there. And then 10.97. Watch it at 11 and see if it can break through 11. You might want to take that second profit target a little bit early. Could have some support at 11. So you're looking for anywhere from 11 to 10.97. Right in there. And then trail a stop in your last piece. Try to go into 10.80, possibly 10.70 here on your last piece. And our last trade is TWC. You see support here right around 60, 80. Going to take this short under 60.73. First profit target is going to be 60.13. Second profit target is going to be 59.53. I'm going to trail a stop on your last piece, come down and test 59, possibly 58.50. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.